Hey guys, I got this Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 240 RGB black AIO for my system, and today I'm installing. Let's go ahead and do it. First we'll remove this fan and the AMD stock fan. AMD stock fan is screwed in with these 4 bolts on 4 sides. Let's unscrew them. Liquid Freezer 3 is one of the budget option. Since I have a very moderate system, I didn't want to spend too much money on it, so I went with a 240A RGB black version. The CPU fan is connected here. I'll remove that. So I have removed the existing stock fan. Just clean this thermal paste and then we'll start installing. Arctic do provide with both set of mounting bracket. This one is for Intel and this one is for AMD. Since we have Ryzen, we need to install these brackets here. This plate will be on your motherboard backside of the CPU, so make sure that it's in the place when you're installing spacer and the brackets. Arctic provide these spacers and the screws in the same pocket. So I kept something below to hold this bracket in place. Now I'll go ahead and install the spacers that are provided. Interesting that they haven't provided any direction for these brackets, but they are not symmetric. If you install it wrong, you have to install it again. This is the correct order, even though alphabet is showing opposite direction in the correct position. So that is installation done. With just 1 or 2 arrow marks, they could have made it easier. And this is the fan. So it just goes and sits on top of the fan connectors here. Yeah, just clicks. Now I have these fan connectors that I'll connect here, and I'll install the radiator. That should be straightforward. I have connected the CPU pump fan and the fan connector here. They have provided the radiator screws. So that's the installation done, guys. It's working pretty well. Looks good as well. And for this project, I think this is a very good option. My cabinet case is quite small, so the fit was like almost touching to that CPU fan, but yeah, otherwise looks pretty good. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AIO. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.